Hey guys, it's like 5:45. We're gonna go to Dongara track. Not now, but like at 6:30. I'll just show you what the setup is for today. Right. So, got the 450, same tire. Got the 200, but we're using a bigger tire today. We're going to use a 140 tubeless. This is off the 300s. I don't know what's going to happen though when I bottom out, because it's got all the bolts sticking out a little bit. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't break or pop or something. I don't know. Knob that off. So this is the tire. Oh, it's not that bright here. Okay, so this is my tire. It's popped, obviously. What happened was that I went over triple. Well, no, actually, at first I put the tire pressure too low. Then I put the tire pressure too low. I think about 12 psi. Before it was like 14 or something like that. And then after that, I went over the triple. Then obviously it popped. And then so that's what happened. Oh, this camera's so weird. There you go. Now I'm just using a gimbal, that's all. And obviously the tire's torn up like hell, so yeah, and we couldn't find a new tube for it, so yeah, we just got to use that 140. So yeah, it's better than nothing. But yeah, we'll try and today we'll try and get some drone shots as well, but there's quite a bit of trees, so it might not show a lot. So yeah, but we'll also like for the first part of the day we'll do third person shots, like from my dad. He's going to video me while I'm riding, because I'll just do like a bit of warm-up laps and stuff, and then we'll try and get some third-person shots. Then after that, the rest of the day is just GoPro shots, and then we'll try and do We'll try and do like the how rough the track is, like, you know how I did in the last vlog, the secret track one. We'll try and do that, and then yeah, just do GoPro shots like that on the helmet. I can't really do it on the bike, I don't have a mount for that. And yeah, that's probably pretty much what we'll do today. Alright, we're here at Dongara track. Here it is. This is what it looks like. I don't know how many years it hasn't been used for, but yeah, we'll find out. Oh, there's some sheep there. Look, see?
Colin.
Yeah, Collins. Colin Collins. I'll probably zoom up like with the editor or something like that, I don't know. Yeah, alright Dad, what are we gonna do today?
Film, ride bikes, look at sheep.
Okay, yeah, that sounds
Let
pretty
everyone
good to
know
me.
what we mean by Collins. Collins, because we used to have a sheep called Colin.
Yeah, it was like, it's pretty beast, you know. He used to he used to do whips off the jump, and he's like, how many kilos was he?
Okay.
How many kilos was he?
Oh, who knows?
Oh, he's probably
like a 60-litre drum.
yeah, yeah, pretty much. And when he ran, all you could hear is the water inside him going like bloop 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 like that, and it's just so. Oh, I don't know, but yeah, he did fat whips off jumps and stuff like that, so it was pretty sick. And yeah, now we just gave him away to someone else because we couldn't take care of him, because all he did was go inside and in the shed, come back out, and that's it. That's all he would do. Not eat, nothing. He'd just go inside, shit, come back out, and yeah, can't do anything. Alright, I will. this is the camera setup. That's how it's going to be. It's going to be on the helmet. We'll do like showing like how rough the track is. I think that'll be better at first, and then but we'll also do third person footage as well. So yeah, and after that, after we've done all the how rough the track is things, then we'll do just the normal GoPro footage, like on the chin, or maybe even on the helmet, maybe we'll do something like that. And then if we can later on, we'll do some drone shots, or even video Dad as well, just to, yeah. This is the first attempt of him doing a push start. Right, go. That's good enough.
Through the air, this is not good.
Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball, mirror, mirror hanging on the wall. Who the fly white boy of the mall? Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? Don't wanna tell you she in love with him. So sweet, ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing, cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my concussion. Yeah, she blushing, all red. Wanna rush and go to bed. You interrogate that bitch like you the fed. So she says she in love with a rock star. Wanna smoke my weed, so she asked me where the tops are. Oh, top drawer. Yeah.
Honey, I need you.
Just a motherfucking kiss. Make money, fuck bitches. Yeah, Pittsburgh.
Alright, the day's all done. Pretty good track. Probably not the same as last time when we came here, but it's good enough. I think when we get back we'll try and sort out the suspension. The suspension's like really old, like all the oil inside of it. You can just tell just from riding it really. And doing the clickers and stuff when ride sag doesn't even do anything, so we'll fix that up when we get back. But other than that, it was an okay day. Could have been better if I had my KX 250 with me, but no, I didn't, because I had to rebuild it. Probably try and sort out the tyres maybe when we get home. Try and put a tube back on my original tyre actually, and yeah, we'll see how we go. The 140 was okay, but it was just really grippy, so I don't know, it was really restricted. Well, not restricted, it's just like the same, but it was the same in some places but it was okay in some others, so it didn't really do anything. But well, the 140 didn't blow the 200 up, so that's good. But I think next time when we come back here we're gonna sort out the suspension obviously and have our original wheel back on, and probably try and do a vlog at home instead of here, because well, they didn't come, nobody came except for us, so yeah, just do one at home instead. But anyways, see you guys.
Put up all these rocks on my wrist. Bring it back up, cause it slip.
Bow, bow.
Keep it cool, eyes go from
Chemistry.
cause I'm ballin'. Look at all these chicks.